Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, my name is Amirul Aiman bin Razha. So for today, I would like to teach you guys about number bases.
Okay, so basically, what is number bases? So number bases are number systems consisting of digits from 0 to 9. The number systems are made up of numbers with various bases. Base 10 is a decimal number system used widely in daily life. So for an example, we are coding using number bases 10 and much more. Okay, next. How do you state the numerical value of a number in various bases? So first, you need to know the number, of course. So in this case, the number is 11001. Then we need to know about the place value. So place value, we get to know from the right side to the left side. So it is in an increasing order. So from the right side, the last number from the right side is known as to the power of 0. So basically we get to know that this is in a base 2 because they are using 2, all the 2 in the place value. Then we continue from 0. Then when it goes to the left, then it will be in increasing order, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then for the third one, we must know the digit value. So we must multiply it together. For the first part is 2 to the power of 0 must multiply with 1. So then we will get the answer is 1. Then we will do all the things together with the others number. Then the last thing that we need to do is number value. Lastly, we need to add all the numbers together after we have multiplied it. I mean, like, we must adding the digit values together. Then we will get the answer is 25 base 10. So that's why so that is how we convert from the other bases to the other bases, from one basis to the other bases. Yeah. Okay, so previously we get to know about numerical value, right? So it is actually numerical value from the previous slide. So now we are learning on convert number from one base to another base. So this is what I meant before. So you must convert 253 base 6 to a number in base 9. So what you need to know first, the base of the number, which is 6. So it is in base 6. So how to convert to the base 9? You must convert base 6 to the base 10 first. So we must do the same thing as the previous, which is we must determine the place value, which is it is using base 6. So all the number will be 6 and their power is in an increasing order from right to the left. Then we will get we must multiply with the number in base 6, which is 253. So we multiply each numbers together, and then we must get the value of number in base 10. After multiply and adding it together, we get 105 base 10. So this is the first step. Then we will go to the second step, which is convert the number in base 10 to base 9. Okay, so basically when you would like to convert in any number, you must convert to the base 10 first. If you get the base 10, you can convert to any numbers. But if you from different numbers, you must convert to base 10 first. Okay? You guys, I hope that you guys understand. So while we are converting in base 10 to the base 9, we must divide the number in base 10 with number 9. So 105 divided with 9, we will get 11. So you can get to see that we have we have extra number, which is 6. Then we multiply it again, then we will get 1. Then we will have same extra number, which is 2. Okay. Then we must divide it until we will get the last number, which is 0, that we cannot even divide it anymore. You guys understand? Okay. So, how to know what is the number in base 9? You must know the flow, which is it is from the bottom to the top. So the number is the first number from the bottom is 1, and then the second number is 2, the third number is 6. Then you just need to write 1, 2, 6, base 9, just like that. So basically this is the method. I hope that you guys understand this. Okay, next slide. How do you convert a number in base 2 to base 8? A number in base 2 can be converted directly to base 8. Each digit in base 8 is equivalent to 3 digits in base 2. So, the first step, you need to separate each of the 3 digits of a number in base 2 from the right to the left. Okay, so the first 3 digits. Second, determine the sum of the digits values for the combined 3 digits in base 2. Then combine the number in base 8. Okay. So as you get to see, we got number 110111 base 2. So you must, what we need to do first, we must divide it by 3 digits. So as you get to see, 110 is the first 3 digits, and then the 111 is the second 3 digits. So as we get to know, we must multiply the number with the place value, and then we get the digit value. But in this case, we are not adding all together, but we are adding with the first 3. Okay, with the first 3 number. So as you get to see, 110, when we get the digit value, which is 4, 2 and 0, we must adding it together. 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 6. But for the second 3 number, we get to see 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is, the answer is 7. Then to get the answer, you just need to mix the number together. But we are not adding, but we are mix 6 with 7. So we will get the number is 67 base 8. So actually it is easy as you get to know the concept. And don't forget about the place value from the right to the left. Okay, we have learned on how to convert from base 2 to base 8. But in this case, we are learning on how do we convert a number in base 8 to base 2. First, you need to separate the digits in a number in base 8. Then we need to convert each digit to a number in base 2. And the last steps is combine all the digits to form a number in base 2. So it is stated that we must separate all the digits. So in the first 3 digits, second 3 digits, and the third 3 digits. Okay. In this case, we know that 5 is 4 plus 1. So we just take number that is suitable with the number, with the real number in base 8. So as you guys get to see, I give you an example. 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So the number for the first 3 number is the total of the 3 numbers is 7, right? So 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Then we will add with 2 and 4. Why we need to adding up all together? Because we need to get the number 7. So all the numbers that we take, like 4, 2, and 1, then we will need to write down 1, 1, 1. But what if the number, what if we don't take the number, such as the number 1? We just need the number 1. So we know that 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So we get the 1. But we don't need 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. You understand, right? We don't need 2, we just need 1. So we must put the 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 0 in the base 2. And we will do all together with the other numbers. And then we will put the number all together, which is 101001111 base 2. So I hope that you guys understand. This is basically we need to know further about number bases. Addition of numbers in various bases. So for the first step, you must add the given digits starting from the right to the left. Okay. Next, you need to do the sum of the digits in base 10 is converted to the given base to be written in the answer space. And the last step is this process is repeated until all the digits in the number are added up. But it is in vertical form. So we are going to conversion of base. We must convert a number to base 10 and perform addition. Then we must convert the answer in base 10 to the required base. So in vertical form, we got number 110 base 2 plus 111 base 2. So you get to see the tips there. Perform addition as usual and convert the values in base 10 to base 2. So we get to see 0 plus 1 is 1. So it is okay. But the problem is 1 plus 1. When we 1 plus 1, we get the number 2, right? So 2 in base 2 is written down as 10, 1, 0. So it is 1 up there. You get to see a small 1 is adding up there and 0 added down. Then we must adding all 3 1 together. We have 3 1, 1 1 1. So it is 1 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So that's why it is written as 110 1 base 2. So you get to see write 0 in the answer space. 1 is carried forward to the next place value. 1 plus 1 is 2 to the power of 10. 2 base 10 equal to 10 base 2. Okay, for conversion of base. So in this case, we must convert the number in base 2 to base 10 first. So you guys get to see 110 base 2 is written as 6 base 10. And the other number is 7 base 10. When we adding it together, we get the number 13 base 10. But we don't want number in base 10. We want number in base 2. So we convert it back to base 2, which is 13 divided by 2, which is 6. We have balance 1. And then we divide again 3. We have balance 0. But we still have 3 there. Yeah. So we need to continue dividing. When we divide 3 with 2, we get 1. And then we will get balance 1. Until we divide, we get 0. Until we divide, we get the number 0. So as I said previously, we must write the number from the bottom to the top. So the number is written as 1101 base 2. So that's all. That's easy. We just need to understand the concept on doing this. Okay. So we are at the last part, which is subtraction of numbers in various bases. So in vertical form, we must subtract the given digits starting from the right to the left. Next step, we need to do the difference is written in the answer space. The difference is always less than the given base and its value is equal to base 10. And the last step is this process is repeated until all the digits in the number are subtracted. While in conversion of base, we must convert a number to base 10 and perform subtraction. And then we need to convert the answer in base 10 to the required base. So basically it is almost the same thing, but it is in subtraction method. Okay. So as you guys get to see, in vertical form, we must subtracting as usual. But in this case, you guys get to see the number 4 is cut down and the number 3 up there. Then actually it gives number 6 as it is in base 6. It gives the previous number 6 to borrow. Basically it is like that. When we cut a number to give the other's number to borrow the value, we will give them the number base. So in this case, the number base is 6. So we give 6 to the previous number. Okay. And we will do all the things together. Then we get to see 4005 base 6 minus T325 base 6 is equal to 3240 base 6. So in conversion of base, we get to see as I thought previously, we need to convert the number in base 6 to base 10 first. So we get 744 base 10 and then we will divide it with 6, with number 6 because the base is in number 6. The base in base 6. Okay. So we get the balance on the right. Then we write it down from the bottom to the top. T3240 base 6. So that's the answer. So that's all for today. I hope that you guys understand and I hope that you guys can do this while you are doing exam and understand all the things that I explained up together. So that's all from me. Thank you.